Hello, Sherman Sims here, Porsche Riverside. Today we're going to do a quick walk around video of the all-new 2022 Porsche 911 Carrera S Exclusive Manufacturer Edition. We're also going to add some nice Porsche equipment items from our parts boutique. So we're going to show off this equipment car cover here for the 911 Carrera S Exclusive. We also have the valve stems here, which will be the Porsche crest, the black valve stems with the Porsche crest in black. If you want to protect your new 2022 Porsche 911 Carrera S Manufacturer's Exclusive Edition, you're going to want to have the Porsche equipment car cover. So if you're going to personalize your Porsche, you got to have the Porsche equipment license plate frame. This is, there is no substitute, because in the end, on the Porsche car, really, there is no substitute. So here we have the Porsche equipment floor mats, which are the all-weathers. The all-weather is going to be a lot more durable and kind of has a nice little edge all the way around the floor mats. And they will replace the Porsche factory floor mats, so they'll just snap right in. So just pull those out, and we'll be able to snap those in. Okay, so we're going to show off the Porsche equipment. This is the first aid kit, and nice little touch. This will actually fit right in the front of the bonnet. But you actually have a nice zipper on here. This folds up, and you have your band-aids, all your bandages, survival wrap. And this can fit in the glove compartment or right in the front of the vehicle. Thank you for watching the video on the 2022 Porsche Manufacturer Exclusive Edition Carrera S. If you're ever at Porsche Riverside, just ask for me, Sherman Sims.